like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper lucky stars. So let's get started. First we will take a strip and tie a knot. Like this way. And press it. Now let's take scissors and cut this excess part. And now start wrapping this strip around this pentagon like this way. And now insert this remaining strip here. Like this way. Now hold it in middle and pinch from the ends like this way. And the star is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.